Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily install the Vocab package on Python Windows 10. So Vocab is a Python package for providing objects which is used for natural language processing, that is NLP. So to install any Python package, library or framework we need Python and pip. So let us first see how we can install the current Python as well as the pip version. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages. Let's begin. At first, go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here in on Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. Whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the recent version will be visible. So we want for Windows. So I'll click on it. This is the current version, Python 3.10.2. Click on it. On clicking the download started, it's only 26 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see the exe file downloaded. Now I'll double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now here you can see the setup started. At first, set the Python 3.10 to path. So you can straight away click on install now. But I'll go for the customized installation. Click on it. On clicking, you can see it will install documentation, pip as well as IDLE. So pip is basically used to install other Python packages. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. So we will see an example of Python in IDLE as well after installing. Rest keep as it is and click on next. Herein you can see advanced option. You can click on install for all users. After clicking, you can see the path has been set. It's under program files. Our Python will get saved here. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but I'll keep as it is. Click on install. Now the setup started. So guys, you can see the setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Now we will install the Vocab package. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Now here is the command prompt guys. At first we will verify the installation of Python and pip. For that type python space -- version and press enter. Here is the current version, that means we have successfully installed it. Now type pip space -- version and press enter. Here it is, we installed pip also. Now we will install Vocab. I told you before that pip is used to install Python packages. So type pip space install Vocab. That is the Vocab Python package and press enter. You need an internet connection to install this. Why? Because this command will download the packages from the source server and it will get installed on your system. Press enter. So guys, we successfully installed Vocab. After that, we typed py on the command prompt and pressed enter to open the Python shell. So we typed import space Vocab and pressed enter and there is no error. That means we have successfully installed the Python package. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Python, pip as well as the current version of Vocab package. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.